Wow, I love walking into a learning space and seeing no empty space. Wow, I love walking into a learning space and seeing no empty seats. So thank you for your participation in every single university in response to what happened. If you did not see the video, could you please raise your hand? Actually watch it right now because it's going to be very important for you to pay attention to that. Just like if you're going into your job every day, you should be ready to get going. I expect you to be ready to learn with the material that I send out. Now, obviously, if there's any questions or technological issues, we're going to bring in ideas of morality. It's important to feel theology, connected in a community every Friday. So for every Tuesday, every Friday, from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. From 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. You will be participating in a worldwide experiment to see if we can actually work on some topics together. Open minds. Also, to give you some strategies to take with you before you enjoy that are going to help you be aware of deviousness of individuals. And quite frankly, this is a personal topic for me. Wow, it is really nice to walk into a learning space and see all the seats taken. At the same time, this is now a mandatory part because of the unfortunate events that happened in 2012 due to the unfortunate events that happened, which I'm sure all of you are aware of. If you are not aware of that, please note that you'll have time to catch up on the website. And we've created the schedule so that you are doing it with everybody at the same time, because this is how education works. These are the intrapersonal goals that we are going to bring together. Okay? I'd like you to get up and move and completely change seats. To sit next to someone that you have not met before or spoken to. The one thing I dislike are groups that stay together. And like I said, everything is designed in order to combat what happened during this horrific time in our history. On the count of 3. So, everyone's going to get up, change seats. We will start with our first activity. Oh, I forgot to say the name of our course. Discrimination, retaliation in workspaces and learning places, as well as stigma and prejudice that allows bystander abuse and bystander apathy to thrive. All right, as I work through my audio, getting these PTSD memories in order, I'll be writing what I need to write. 7 literary pieces in all. By the time I'm done, I'm hoping that I have 1 epic in 3 parts to put away the pieces of this broken, busted heart. Okay, big breath. Hopefully this will be the first and last.
Your genitals. Have you ever ground or rubbed your genitals against Dr. Ford? Dr. Ford describes an incident.
And because that's foundation skills, and because I teach special education, primary K through 4, that means I get your student for 5 years potentially. Don't you think that I might have learned some things about the home as well? So when
Cuckoo Land, there are no rules. There's no government, no babysitters, no bedtimes, no frowny faces, no bushy mustaches, and no negativity of any kind.
You just said the word no like 1,000 times.
And there's also no consistency.
I hate this place.
Any idea is a good idea, except the not happy ones. Those you push down deep inside where you'll never, ever,